Substitution for Syrian national team.
First of all, I must congratulate Syria. They was in this situation. They have one free kick and they win the game. On the other side, we play very, very attacking. We have some good opportunities, but not really. So that was a close game. Syria is a very strong team, but we have them. 6 changes. We want to see today some players. We see them today. I hope in the next game can Hanonov, Safarov, Umarbayev, and we will see also Zuhir. Then everybody will have some more option for this position. So it was good. Also, congratulations to Kazanov to make the first game in A national team.